Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between Kraken or Bitstamp by Robinhood. And before I start this comparison video, I want to tell you two things. The first thing is I will tell you which application fits you the best. There is no application better than the other. Both applications are great, and in this video I will show you which application fits you the best. The second thing is I made more than 1,500 videos about crypto brokers, and I will show you today, tell you today with my experience which application fits you the best. So let's start right here with a nice quick summary where I tell you the main focus, best for trading tools, interface and fees and trading costs. So let's start right here with the main focus. The main focus on Kraken is advanced crypto trading and on Bitstamp simple crypto investing. So you can decide for yourself which type will fit you the best. And if you go to best for, Kraken is better for active traders and Bitstamp is better for beginners and investors. Then if you go right here to the trading tools, Kraken has a strong and nice trading tool where Bitstamp has a more basic trading tool. Then if you go to the interface, Kraken is more professional and Bitstamp is more clean and beginner friendly. So when you're a complete beginner, I recommend you to use Bitstamp. Kraken is also fine as a beginner, but when you're a completely beginner, Bitstamp is better. If you go to the fees and trading cost, Kraken has lower overall fees, but Bitstamp has slightly higher fees. So you can decide for yourself what you want to do. So if I make the quick comparison, Kraken is more for active trading and staking, and Bitstamp is more for simple long-term investing. So hopefully after this video, you can decide for yourself which application fits you the best. And hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.